The best way to lose belly fat and keep it off is to eliminate toxins from your body and keep your liver and digestive system healthy. In particular, poor digestion hinders belly fat loss by stopping the body from getting the nutrients it needs to burn fat and causing a buildup of toxins in the body that slow down metabolism. There are various tips for losing belly fat online. However, recently we discovered a very efficient and budget-friendly fruit, lemons. Consuming this fruit will help to improve your digestive system and encourage your liver to function at its best, thus increasing the metabolism and burning fat more efficiently. In this video, we will guide you how to make a simple drink with lemon that will help you lose belly fat faster than ever. Here is the recipe. Firstly, you need to prepare 1 lemon, then cut it in half and squeeze its juice into a glass jar. Lemon juice helps to lose weight thanks to the presence of vitamin C and antioxidants that promote good digestion. Lemon juice also has diuretic properties, which help remove unwanted toxins from the body, thereby increasing your metabolism and helping burning fat. Next, you need to prepare about 6 to 7 mint leaves and put them into a saucepan. Then add 2 cups of water. Put the saucepan on the stove and heat until the water starts to boil. When the water is boiling, reduce the heat and simmer for at least 5 minutes. This helps the nutrients in mint leaves to be completely extracted in the water. Mint leaves contain small amounts of caffeine and catechins, both of which are known for boosting metabolism by increasing the body temperature, which further leads to burning extra calories than your body normally does. Studies also have pointed out that consuming mint leaves can help with better digestion. Thus, thanks to the active compound method in mint leaves that can boost digestion. This helps with weight loss because a poor digestion system can restrict the weight loss process. After 5 minutes, remove the saucepan from the heat. Then, immediately add a green tea bag to the pot and cover. Allow it to soak for a minimum of 5 minutes. Green tea is packed with flavonoid and caffeine, which can help elevate metabolic rate and restore the body fat burning capabilities. One study showed that those who consume green tea and caffeine lost an average of 2.9 pounds during a 12-week period while sticking to their regular diet. On top of being packed with fat-blasting compounds, drinking hot green tea will also cause your body to work harder, so burning more calories. Now, open the saucepan, remove the mint leaves and tea bag with the help of a strainer and pour the liquid in the glass jar that contains lemon juice. Stir well to mix all ingredients together and your fat-burning drink is ready. For maximum benefit, drink this tea while it is hot. The best time to drink this tea is in the morning on an empty stomach. This tea shouldn't be consumed after your meal and at night. It can block the absorption of some mineral present in the food in the body. The caffeine content in the tea might make it difficult for you to fall asleep.